Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change display screen refresh rates for smoother window motion in Linux Mint. This instantly increases how many times your screen redraws per second, turning a choppy 60 Hz display into a buttery smooth, high refresh experience. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Display into the search bar and click the display icon from the results to launch your monitor controller. When the configuration window pops up, locate the drop-down menu field explicitly labeled Refresh Rate. Click that drop-down menu to reveal your monitor's supported hardware frequency speeds. Select your maximum available speed from the list, such as 144 Hz or 240 Hz, to enable optimal smoothness. Click the green Apply button sitting in the bottom right corner of the layout panel to push the configuration to your system. A confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen. Click the Keep this configuration button within 20 seconds to lock it in. Once verified, click the X button at the top corner of the primary display management window to close out the panel. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.